Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I would like to show you how you can enter one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Accessibility Features. Then select one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then follow those instructions. I have 3 keys navigation, so I have to follow those instructions over here. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. So now, if you wish to use your one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. If you wish to go back, click on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left hand, you need to do the same to the left. Then go back the same way. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, just tap at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!